quickest, alludes to top speed. Fastest, alludes to increasing speed. They're extraordinary, and about everyone is failing to understand the situation. We've seen a lot of Tesla Model S 0 to 60 miles per hour, increasing speed tests. Yet we've infrequently observed trial of the auto's best speed, which is publicized at 155 miles per hour, 250 kilometers per hour. So infrequently that I overlooked that the speedometer really turns red when moving toward the best speed. It's most likely because of the coordinations of testing a vehicle at such speed, which isn't possible outside of a chosen few streets and tracks. However, today we get the chance to see a fun and snappy test in all lawfulness from Auto PNL on the Autobahn, utilizing a 2016 Tesla Model S P90D on ludicrous mode. The auto figures out how to achieve 155 miles per hour, 250 kilometers per hour in around 29 seconds. As per Tesla, that should indicate around 20% quicker than a standard Model S performance. The issue is the Tesla Model S P100D isn't especially quick. Like every other adaptation of the Tesla Model S, it's constrained to a best speed of 155 miles per hour. Most extravagant automakers can find their elite cars to that same best speed, indicated in a Man of Honor's understanding between Mercedes-Benz, Audi and BMW various years prior to marginally moderate, fast Autobahn fatalities. In any case, there are many new autos today that will send their speedometers path past 155. The Hennessy Venom GT, actually, will go 115 miles per hour quicker than a maximized Model S P100D, achieving a checked 270 miles per hour on the off chance that you give it enough runway. There is one superlative, notwithstanding, that Tesla has totally earned, and it's one that scarcely got to specify in P100D scope: driving reach. Tesla says the Model S P100D will go up to 315 miles for every battery charge, making it the main mass-delivered electric auto on the planet to outperform 300 miles on the EPA's driving reach test.